Hi guys, I know I look rough. I'm about to put my makeup on, hopefully get some stuff filmed and worked out today. It's been a few weeks and it's not that I've been avoiding doing any type of vlogging. Honestly, it's the one thing I've been wanting to most. I've just been busy, so busy. Hooray, hooray. I have finished filming and editing a Reels. I do it all through my phone. I could use my actual camera, but then I have to export it and then edit it and then export it again to the phone. It's a little bit complicated. So I just do it all through my phone. Louie is at the door, so let's get him in here. Hello, my love. Come on in, Lulu. That's a good boy. Wanna go in there? Where were we? The suitcase. That's where we were at. I can't believe it. We are about to be going to Japan, which is crazy. We were just there back in the spring, and now we're going in the autumn months. Very excited, but I need to pack. Thought I would actually film it with you guys so you can see kind of like what I am aiming to wear. And I know there's a little bit of possibility that I'm gonna need to quickly change some things around in my suitcase before then. I am packing. I still don't 100% know what the weather is gonna look like the day that we land. Therefore, I'm gonna be a little bit easygoing with it. Packing what I would like to wear, and then before we take off, I will quickly change what I need to remove from the suitcase and add what would be best to go into it. So let me go on ahead, show you what I was thinking, where my brain is at, and we could go from that moment on. So my last trip to Japan, everyone tends to wear neutral colors in most locations. Now you got places like Shibuya and Shinjuku where people will be a little bit more freestyle, a little bit more bold with their wardrobe choices. But whenever you are wandering around places like Hakone or Asakusa, you're gonna see people wearing very traditional neutral tones. A lot of women seem to wear a lot of skirts and dresses. That was kind of like the main thing. There was women wearing pants, but they were so styled and so chic that I envy it. So that is something that I'm actually gonna be shopping for on my next trip. I'm going to be aiming to look for some more pieces that I could bring back here to the US and start, like, I don't want to say shift my wardrobe to be more of a Eastern Japanese style, but I really do like a lot of their style choices, and I would like to incorporate that into my more Western wardrobe of t-shirts and jeans, maybe adding something like one of these skirts or a pair of really nice trouser pants and kind of edge it up a little bit, that it looks a little bit more unique and different than what I would see typically in American retail stores. So this skirt right here, I actually purchased on my last trip to Japan, and I'm bringing it back. I'm gonna be wearing it some, and I'm very excited about that. So let me show you what these two skirts look like and this pair of pants, so you can kind of get a good idea of what I'm going for. First skirt, yes, it's beige. It's just a plain beige skirt. Like I said, they wore a lot of more neutral tones, but see, like this skirt would look really cute styled with a t-shirt and then like a nice trench coat over top of that. That is cute, that is cool. But I am planning to wear this skirt in particular with this really nice floral design sweater and just have it like front tucked a little bit. I think that would be really cute. It reminds me of something that I've seen someone wearing, and I am trying to just channel what I remember seeing everyone dressed as. And it is a really nice autumn design. As you can see, it has a really unique floral, which I think would be really pretty for the autumn months in Japan. Hopefully it will be cool enough where it won't be super hot, because I was wanting to wear this with this very woolly soft sweater. It's just, that would be so cute. That would be such a look. If it doesn't work out, that's okay. If it's looking like the temperature is going to be just way too hot and I won't be able to carry this in my suitcase, I will just wear a bodysuit with this skirt and I can always find a really lightweight sweater at a thrift store or at a vintage store out in Tokyo. So I will find a way to make this ensemble work. The pants that I'm excited to take, I actually grabbed these up from Abercrombie. I don't know why they're getting rid of the style though. This is the ankle tapered, which is very much what I was seeing everyone wearing. It's where it's a little bit more loose and wide here in the thigh area, but at the ankle it does kind of taper off and do a little bit more of a narrow fit. Everyone was wearing this style of pants over there, and I wasn't able to get a pair last time, but I saw these on Abercrombie's website. They only had them in 3 color options, and like I said, they got rid of them. I don't know why. This is like such a cool style. So I did grab up the black ones. I think they'll look really nice to wear out at night. And I'm gonna use this shirt as an example again. You could just easily tuck in a graphic tee to make it more casual, or you could style this up to be a little bit more businessy, a little bit more formal with just a different style of top other than a t-shirt. So this is something I'm really excited to have. I really enjoyed this backpack on my previous trip. I carried it whenever we went to Hakone, and I just packed like all of my clothes for my overnight inside of this. And we walked to our onsen in Hakone. We actually walked up partially up a mountain, so it was good having backpacks instead of suitcases. I know some people do travel with suitcases, but if you're wanting to like really experience nature and the ability to walk around freely and feel 100% comfortable walking through areas, backpacks is the best. Whoop. Of course, as soon as I'm getting ready to film, it's gonna start shifting around. It's a no makeup day. It is a busy day, so I have a Celsius to get with it. I need to do this load of laundry that's in the dryer. I need to put these back in the dryer to fluff them up, fold those. We're going to Japan in 4 days. It's a lot. I have so much to do. I'm gonna try to do a lot of it with you guys. Yikes, I have not made up the bed. I know, it's one of those days. That's why I'm drinking an energy drink. There's so much I need to do. Okay, right fast while I wait for the other laundry to be ready for folding, I am going to quickly apply a little bit of makeup because after lunch sometime, there is going to be some people for our internet to come out because for some reason our internet is just not working, and we can't really have that happening while we're away because my mom will not know what to do. I mean, her and Holly could still be able to play and go places and do things, but we don't have cable. Like, all of our television is through the internet, through apps. So you kind of have to have internet to watch anything. I am wearing my usual. This is kind of like my everyday routine. I'm wearing the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk mascara. I like this, but it's not like my most favorite mascara. But I do want to use it up because I don't want it to go to waste since it is a pricey mascara. And then I used this on my brows. It is just a classic medium brown tone that I got on my last trip abroad. Of course, chapstick. This is from Don Quixote, and I love these chapsticks. I'm about out actually, so I'm gonna have to grab up some more over there. And then my foundation, of course, is the L'Oreal. This is like my go-to on like easy days. I've already packed what I am taking to Japan, which is my Kate Tokyo foundation. But yeah, here is what my makeup is gonna pretty much look like for the day today. Like I said, we're gonna ignore the bed. I know it's a mess. We're gonna just ignore it. There's no need to look at it right now. What we're gonna look at is this backpack that I put some cute little pins on. But as of right now, in this front little compartment, we have money, but this isn't any money. This is yen for whenever we get to Japan. It's gonna be like 9 o'clock at night. We're probably gonna want a snack or something from one of the conbinis. So I have enough money for us to do that, and enough money if we haven't put money on a Suica's to be able to get on the train. I have obviously my passport, and that is it so far, because my actual wallet, which will go in here, I still have in my purse right now. And I plan to take my purse and it'll be in my backpack, so I could just keep it in there. But in here at the moment, it looks like this. I have my Miffy neck little pillow, which I'm still trying to debate if I want to actually take this or not. In here, I plan to put one change of clothes in case something does happen to our luggage. That would be an absolute nightmare, but I've heard it happen, so I'm going to do it just in case. It's going to have one change of clothes, probably 1 or 2 pairs of undergarments, like I said, in case luggage is missing, and my actual like nice purse, because I do not want to risk it being lost in the sea of luggage. But in this side, I have right now my stamp booklet, and I wasn't going to put this in my backpack, but I started thinking about it. There might be stamps at the airport. I also have my makeup in a little zippy bag, some headache little things, or contacts, and then these 2 things I'm going to wear a little bit on the plane. This is to help with depuffing around your chin area, and these are for under the eye bags. So I felt like, yeah, I'm going to try to get a head start on making sure I don't look rough the next day. So, we're going to do pasta. I love pasta. Holly's will have Parmesan cheese. Mommy is going to have homemade spaghetti sauce with her pasta. So how I make my spaghetti sauce whenever I'm not making a lot, because it's just me and Holly here, and I'm the only one that's going to be enjoying this sauce. I do not use meat because there's no need to get a bunch of meat out and mix meat into this sauce if it's just me. I just feel like it's going to go to waste. So I just opt to make sure I put a lot of different spices to make it have a good amount of flavor. How I will be doctoring with the sauce is with some onion powder, since I don't have actual onion. I'm going to be using some garlic powder since I don't have actual garlic with me. And then my go-tos to give it an extra bit of like kick and spice would be chili powder. Put a pretty good amount of this in there. And always, 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 you can never use too much of this oregano. I mean, you could dump half or all of this bottle in there and it's still going to taste good. So oregano is like the token of amazingness. So I will put a little bit of these 2, a little bit of this, but more of this than what I would use of these. And then last but not least, I am just gonna like flip this over and shake, 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 shake. Get every last drop, because I probably will have a little bit of leftovers, so I can have this again tomorrow. Now, the garlic. There is exact measurements that you can use, but I am just eyeballing it. And with the sauce, you could let this simmer on the stove as long as you want. Just keep it at a very low heat just to warm it up.
So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on the back burner at the lowest possible temperature I could get it. I'm gonna make sure it's not boiling, because if it starts to do a lot of bubbles, then the sauce will start to like actually stick to the bottom of the pan, and you don't want that. So I'm just gonna slowly start to warm this up, and I'm gonna go ahead and preheat the oven now for our garlic bread. All right, so there is lunch. I need to get a cup of water and I will be good to go. So lunch is done. I'm gonna start cutting the tacks off these items that I'm planning to pack. So I do not want to accidentally forget to do this and then try to like ask someone for scissors at the hotel. Granted, people are so friendly, they would probably help, but you know, it's always good to try to make sure you take care of yourself. Now, the next thing I need to do is go through my camera and delete a lot of the random footage that I filmed so I can have as much storage space as possible for this little guy. All right, let's go on ahead and, well, hello. 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 These are the bad babies. Bad babies. They're little troublemakers. I'm packed. I am officially packed. I haven't fully decided if I'm actually going to take my Miffy suitcase though. We might just take a different little carry-on, and what we're doing is putting the carry-on inside a bigger suitcase, and the bigger suitcase will be used for souvenirs and such. But yeah, I'm officially packed. I'm good to go. Got everything set up, and yeah, now I just have Saturday and Sunday to clean. Monday is a dentist appointment and my mom will be in town and I have to go over everything with her, but this is how I think I'm going to end the vlog. So see you guys soon. Next time, next video will be Japan.